Janine, sinabi mo unexpected yung turnout ng press day. Di ba natawa kami? Pero thank you Thank you sa very generous. Alam mo namang gustong-gusto ng press yung pag-amin nyo. Charot!
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah, unexpected talaga. Hindi ko inakala na nung ginawa ko yung Lavender Fields na ito pala yung magiging.
No, but of course, your role, and you're gonna be with your mom, it's gonna be, I mean, trailer pa lang, very, from Dirty Linen, di ba? Parang, grabe yung kontrabida ka ba rito? Ano ba?
Oo.
Ayan.
Pero interesting siya kasi ako yung asawa.
Yun na nga. At yung linyahan mo doon.
Yes.
Di ba? Magmamamatay na lang tayo.
Oo.
Di ba?
So ako talaga ang magtataguyod sa mga asawang inagawan at talagang ako yung magagalit para sa kanila.
I love it. And how was the experience for you na to be on this side of the fence this time around?
It's a different kind of challenge. As in, sobrang nahirapan ako. Kasi, usually naman yung mga dati kong role, ina-attack ko naman siya na parang kontrabida, like si Alexa sa Dirty Linen. Pero iba pala talaga kapag hindi ka pwede magpakita ng kahit anong vulnerability. Ako parang konting, ko lang in real life, parang medyo natiteary-eyed na ako. Or parang, so talagang kinailangan kong matuto kung paano ba maging si Iris. Na talagang makapangyarihan, tapos hindi natatakot na kahit anong gawin niya.
Actually, sinabi nga kanina ni Eko, wala ka daw off. Parang hindi niya alam kung kailan magjo-joke sa set. Kasi daw, lagi ka daw parang magbabato ng linya. Anong reaction mo doon?
Hindi kasi nung una nga, talagang nahihirapan ako kung paano gawin yung Iris. So natutunan ko na ang mas madaling paraan, dapat pagdating mo sa set, tuloy-tuloy ng Iris ka na.
Kasi hindi ka kaya wala kang switch off.
Oo, kasi very smiley talaga ako as a person eh. So parang matagal bago mabura yung ngiti ko. So ang ginawa ko na lang is parang makeup pa lang, dapat bawal na gumiti.
Kaya,
yun ang nakatulong sa
okay,
akin.
yun yung style. Kaya yung pala ear to ear, ang iyong smile today.
At least pwede ngayon.
Oo.
Pwede ngumiti.
Hindi, actually kanina, nag-stop din siya. As in, I swear, a portion of the interview, sabi niya, sobrang ganda mo raw. Kaya nga, feeling ko doon nakuha na pick up ng press. Akala nila, idediretso ko na yung tanong kay Eko noon. Pero, di ba, I mean, how was it? Was it because of this? That's why that was developed?
I guess so. I mean, parang unexpected lang naman. Yeah, super unexpected.
Is it love for art? Kasi, di ba, parang they've been seeing you Makati National Museum.
Yeah, parang everything kind of just happened. Like, really unexpected. I guess, we get along lang pala. And, ayun.
Oh, wow! Pero,
Mas nakakahiya. Hindi talaga ako.
ano pa? Ang
Kasi
lakas pa
talaga
ng...
ako usually nagkakwento ng mga ganito eh. Pero mukhang kunento na ni Eko lahat. So, ano pa mga gagawin?
Magagalit ka ba na kinwento niya? Hindi naman.
Hindi. It's
okay
funny.
lang.
It's funny. And it's sweet naman na he's so open, I guess.
Are you... parang ngayon lang to rin for you.
Oo.
Na ganito na chinika niya, buo. Parang, but it came organically kasi. Today. Di ba? Like, we all didn't expect to.
Talaga?
Yeah. Pero syempre tatanungin namin. Pero hindi naman namin talaga in-expect na parang, alam mo
Nagkwento
yun?
na.
Oo, na ano ba nangyari? Kasi sabi niya kasi, ano yung National Museum? Gusto mo pag-usapan natin.
Sabi?
Oo, yun yung ending ng interview. Tapos ako na nagsabi, okay.
Oh my gosh, nakakatawa. Nakakatawa talaga kasi, wala lang. Ang funny lang and ang unexpected. And, you know, it's so funny.
So, alam ko na kung ba't din, parang method ba tawag doon? Yung parang hindi ka umaalis sa character. Kasi syempre, of course, off-cam, you do have that personal relationship, but then again, on-cam, sobrang bigat na mga role ninyo. Right? Like, where are you in production right now? Can you share?
Yeah, sobrang, na kami. We're shooting about week 6 na.
Oh, wow.
So, sobrang dami na talagang nakaka-excite na i-share sa mga viewers kung saan mapupunta yung kwento. Pero, of course, kailangan abangan.
Yeah. Pero syempre, alam mo naman, naisip mo naman moving forward, how would you guys, syempre, people would still be asking you after this interview airs or the interview with our other media friends, kung how you're gonna be attacking the relationship, or are you gonna be public, ano ba to, or what you see is what you get?
What you see is what you get na lang.
Kung ano na lang.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I mean, bahala na. Parang gano'n naman yung nangyari. Parang bahala na. So I guess, bahala na rin. Whatever.
What did your mom say?
My mom is super hands-off naman with
Yeah.
everything since I guess I'm old. And they've never been really parang hindi sila nakikialam talaga. So nagpapasalamat talaga ako na may tiwala sila sa akin and things like that.
That's nice. But of
Yeah.
course, your mom is there in Lavender Fields. Pero hindi kayo mag-ina.
No! At hindi
Kaya
ko siya
nga
nakita
eh.
ever. Hindi ko siya
Oh,
naka-excel. Ay, spoiler girl.
Hindi naman.
Baka hindi mo pa
But-
alam.
Oo.
Baka hindi mo pa alam.
Wala
or-
pa so far.
Oo, wala pa so far.
Mm-mm.
Wait, how was it? No, akala nyo ba na mag-ina kayo when this was first given to you guys?
No.
You knew outright
Actually,
off the bat.
nagulat ako na she was part of the show. So, exciting. Kasi siya talaga yung una niyong makita bago pa si Iris.
That's nice. And with this, syempre, of course, working with Jodie naman. Kasi nakita ko parang may batuhan level na nagaganap, may action. Mag-a-action ka rin ba gaya niya?
Yes!
No,
Yes!
totoo?
So, kami talaga ni Ate Jodie yung mga nagsusuntukan dito at nagsisipaan. Which is one of the things na talagang nilook forward to nung nalaman ko yung kwento ng Lavender Fields na may pagka-action din talaga siya.
Oo.
And so, nag-training kami together
Wow.
with like the stunt team and the fight director. So, I'm so grateful na si Ate Jodie yung kasuntukan ko kasi parang before the scene starts, parang pareho kaming tara. Yung parang
Grabe.
nakikita ko sa mata niya na go lang.
So, leave it to the women to
Yes,
fight.
yes.
Parang so badass women pala ang
Yes.
makikita natin. At first, I thought si Jodie lang yung parang may vengeance. Pero what kind did you do? Did you do also Arnis?
Yes, yes.
Arnis and... Oh, yun lang.
Filipino martial arts. So, Arnis, and then of course yung mga basics ng
MA, mga
suntok, fights, guns. So,
Oh, wow.
very exciting siya kasi it's not sampalan. Parang this one is really parang we tried to make it like martial arts.
Eh, actually, parang ang ganda, no? You were so deliberate and careful in choosing yung mga role. And ang ganda nga na shinare mo na hindi lang siya hindi siya sampalan. It's more than just that. So what roles are you so into right now? Na parang yung, di ba, how particular are you when you choose right now?
I mean, I didn't really choose this. Like, ako, I trust lang talaga na kung makita ako ng mga boss na baka kaya niya yung ganitong role, buo din talaga yung tiwala ko sa kanila na kung baka may nakita silang kaya kong gawin. So, even if kinakabahan ako or ganyan, iniisip ko na lang, siguro nakita ni Sir Leo na pwede ako dito, then that's what really pushed me to do my best and work hard.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. And, of course, working with Jodie, how was it?
Super idol ko talaga si Ate Jodie and she has such a positive
Vibe.
on set. Talagang siya, parang talaga siyang ate. So, I learned so much from her and the rest of the cast. And grabe din kasi talaga yung training ni Ate Jodie. And nakikita ko sa mga fight na talagang ang galing niya and sobrang convincing. So, I'm so happy na siya yung kasama ko dito.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.